The best feature, I believe, is you can go in and design the financials how you want your financial to look. So we may have financial statements such as an income statement that our branch managers want to look at it a certain way, yet our upper management staff, our president, our vice presidents may want to look at it a little bit differently. So to me, I can build various statements off of the same data and have different views of that data and just have it as one. So and then grant access to those people that type of data that they can look at. So if a branch manager may have a question about their statement and they call me, I can look at it the way that they are looking at it. Or if the president has a question, I can look at it the way that he is looking at it.
So it's always been a nightmare for us to produce consolidated financial statements that are broken down by branch, division, or consolidated for the entire company. So, one of the things that we really got out of this was the ability to have them consolidated or split in any way you want, in any level of detail, or, at the very top level, just seeing the revenue and the profits, down to viewing individual expense lines.